Hey everyone, welcome to Webwise Workshop, a channel that makes digital skills simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shorten any link using three free tools online. The first is Bitly. We can go bitly.com. The second is tinyurl.com. And the third will be regarding Google Chrome extension. Let's start with Bitly. Let's say that we want to shorten the link to this article. AI is making big tech weaker. Grab the link, copy it, go here, paste it, get your link for free. Now, I already signed up for an account. You can sign up for a free account. You have about 5 links per month. So I'm going to go in and show you how this works. So here we are inside once you sign up for a free account. You got the link, just paste it in here, click create your bit.ly link, and there you go. You got your own link here, copy, just to test it out. There you go. The link got shortened, nice and easy. One of some of the advantages of Bitly is that it has best-in-class analytics. It's perfect. It creates perfectly clean-looking links, and it's great for branded short domains as well. The other site I want to show you is tinyurl.com. They've been out since 2002, and they're very simple to use as well. They're 100% free, no sign-up required, and you can create a decent custom, alias option as well. So again, let's take this link right here, just paste it in, and here's where you can create your custom alias. You don't have to, but go ahead, shorten the link, and there's your link right there. Press copy. Let's do a test. There you go. Now the third option is a little bit different. It's actually utilizing a Google Chrome extension. So what you want to do is you want to come to this Google web store, sorry, the Chrome web store, and come to this page. You're going to open it up, and you're going to basically type in here URL shortened for Google Chrome, and this will come up. Now, since I already added it to my browser, this is why it's showing remove from Chrome. It will say download. So I already added it as this icon. Once this icon is added, it's part of your entire, surfing experience. Like for instance, let's say we go back to this article. I already have the Chrome extension here. So you want to shorten it, you just click on this icon. It has the link and it's shortened it right here into a tiny URL. Copy it, paste, and there you go. Nice and easy. Now all of these websites, you can, create short links for free. It's no charge. Of course, with Bitly, there's a limit per amount per month, but everything else is basically free for the first month. Tiny URL is also really great to use. This requires no sign up, as I mentioned before, and the Chrome extension works well. So there you have it, 3 free URL shorteners you can use. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and looking forward to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.